Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LandGlide to evaluate land and parcel data step by step clearly. Open the LandGlide app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the address, parcel number, or location you wish to evaluate. Press the search button to initiate the search. Wait a moment as the app retrieves the relevant data. Once the location appears on the map, tap on it to select it. You should see a panel with information about the selected parcel. Review the details provided, including ownership, property lines, and tax information. If you want more specific data, look for the Layers option in the menu. Tap the Layers button to view additional data layers. Select the types of data you wish to display, such as zoning or land use. The map will update automatically to reflect your selected layers. Explore the different data points available for your selected parcel. Utilize the zoom feature for a closer look at parcel boundaries. Use the measurement tools for precise area calculations if needed. If you need further assistance, check the help section within the app. This will guide you through any additional features or troubleshooting. Once satisfied with your evaluation, you can save any important data. Consider using the share feature to send relevant information to others. Remember to log out when finished, especially on public devices. Enjoy exploring land and parcel data with LandGlide. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.